Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 45B Rosemount Grove in Leven. This is a fantastic 3-bedroom semi-detached property, finished to a really high standard, great family space, beautiful landscape back garden and a driveway for 2 cars. So it really is the perfect family home in a really great location and everything on your doorstep. So what I'm going to do is flip the camera and then I will take you on the tour and wait till the end to hear further details. So this is your property here, 45B Rosemount Grove. So you have your driveway for 2 cars, you have your low maintenance front garden, and then I love the exterior of this property because you have the feature of the porthole window, which is just lovely. So let's head inside and we will start the tour. Okay. So this is your entrance hallway, so a great size entrance hallway for you and the family. But let's head upstairs and start the tour. So it's a 3-bedroom property. So we're going to start with the master just off to our right. So they're all great size rooms. So this is your master. Really light as well, really light rooms, they're just great. But you also have the addition of double fitted wardrobes. So ample storage. Back into the hallway you have further storage with 1 of 2 storage cupboards. Then you have your family bathroom, great size family bathroom, modern finish as well. So that is your family bathroom, and then we head into bedroom number 2. So again, a great size. You have your double fitted wardrobe just at the end on the left there. Then we come through into bedroom number 3. So again, as you can see, all really light, great space, and all have the addition of storage. Then the storage continues as we have a further storage cupboard just on our right here as well. Now let's head downstairs. I can't wait to show you the kitchen of this property because it's just lovely. So this is your living space. Great size living room, really generous. Let me show you it from a different angle. Just to note, we have a further storage cupboard just on our left here. But this is your living space. So really great size, plenty of room for you and the family. Then we come into the kitchen, which I just love. Kitchen diner, so again, a great space. You have your patio doors letting in plenty of light, and that's just a sneak peek at your beautiful landscape back garden. Then this is your modern high finish kitchen. Just lovely, plenty of worktop and kitchen cupboard space. Integrated oven, hob and extractor. And what I love as well is you have the addition just through this door. You have utility space. So you have a further sink and utility cupboard space, so great if you've got young children, pets, animals, great addition. And then just through that door is you do have a downstairs WC, which again is just really helpful, especially if you have guests over. So let's head into the garden, but let me just give you an idea of the size from a different angle. So that is your kitchen diner. Such a lovely kitchen. Okay, and then we're out into your back garden. So you have your gate just round there, so you can get access round to the front. And then this is your outdoor space. It's just lovely. Just imagine in the summer, friends and family over, socialising, entertaining. So you have your seating area just here. You have your summer house. You have a hot tub area as well. And then just imagine the patio doors opening and family and friends in your garden space. So it's just a lovely garden. And then that is your property just there. I love the hot tub space. So there we go. So that was the personal property tour for 45B Rosemount Grove in Leven. Fantastic 3-bedroom semi-detached property. Plenty of space for you and your family. Moving condition, finished to a high standard. Beautiful landscape back garden. Off-street parking with a drive for 2 cars. Great location as well, with everything on your doorstep. Just a short walk and you have the local amenities, the Aldi, the bakers. Also a short drive and you have your primary schools, Leven Beach, the golf course. You really do have everything on your doorstep, with the commuting opportunity as well, as we have the Spring 24 train station as well. So it really is a brilliant property, great location. So if you want to know the price of this property and get further details, the link is on this video, or you can call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at 5 Properties TV. Take care.